The stubborn child. There was a king who had no children. One day he said to his minister, "Why don't you bring your son around here someday?" The next day, the minister came with his son. The king was happy to see him and was affectionate towards him. He said, "Make sure you never let your son cry." The minister asked, "How is it possible to fulfill all his wishes?" The king replied, "That is not a problem. I will send out an order to fulfill all his needs and to never let him cry." The minister said, "Okay, let's ask him what he wants." The child demanded to see an elephant, so it was brought. He played with it for a while, but soon got bored and started crying again. The king asked, "Why are you crying?" The child said, "I want to play with a needle." So a needle was given to him. He started playing with the needle, but soon started crying again. The king said, "What is making you cry now?" The child said, "I want this elephant to pass through the needle hole." As all the wishes of a child cannot be fulfilled, same is the case with our nafs. This begs the question that there must be a solution for this. The solution is that nafs should be tamed, and the best tried and tested way to reform it is by remaining in the company of Sheikh, the spiritual guide.